Hi all, so let's begin with our next tutorial. So previously we were till here, like we were equipping gun and with scroll button we were like scrolling up and down and the gun was in the hand. But you can see there are few problems. First is animation and second that it has widget and the collision sphere which is not visible yet. Okay, let's begin. First, what we will do, we will go to the content manager and in Animus Starter Pack, it has a pre-made anime blueprint. So what we will do, we will do some snatching work. Just copy and we will go to our character, which is not this. Go to character mannequin animation. So this is our anime blueprint and go back. So just shift them up and we will paste it here. First, we don't need this idle node. So what we can do, I don't know how should I go. Okay, let's create this first. Okay, just remove these two. And, we need this, so what we will do, we will create this jog function and copy this. Okay, and for the return we will copy this jump from stand asset. Perfect, and now we can delete these two. Let me check if I'm breaking something. Okay, perfect. Now we can go to these two. Okay, this is run and jump. We don't need this either. Okay, so we are here with these three. Okay, first we will create a function. We will create we will create a variable called is combat. So if it is in combat, we will go from this which our current blueprint to next one. So is combat, and here we will do opposite is combat with not. Perfect. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's see the error first. First is enable jump is not there. Okay, for this we can now we will create this variable. Okay, we have these errors only. Yep. Perfect. Compile and save. Let's see if everything is working fine. Okay. I just go to anim preview. Is in here. Nothing is happening. Why is that? Okay, crouching found path. Crouching, we don't have this, so right click create where. Shit. Okay, my editor got crashed. Let's see if everything is working. Mm. Okay, not this one. Just close that and we were here. Get crouching. Okay, we don't have this variable, so create variable. Compile. Okay, we don't have the errors here, so this is working fine. And we start. Perfect. If we start in some direction. Perfect. Is combat. Let's see with this combat. Perfect. Okay, but we have just clicked this button and it has start walking, so we will check that. Okay, and crouching, this is not working, so we can go to crouch and walk. Okay, we will create that. First we will see this problem when we have click is combat, why it has start walking. Okay, let's click on shift and check if, okay, at speed 0 it is not standing. I just click on this icon and here they have inserted the wrong file. So what we will do, the crouch idle file, we will replace it with this crouch idle rifle. Okay, let's save it and check if everything works fine here. Okay, it was crouch. We need idle rifle. Idle rifle. Idle rifle. Idle rifle. One more. Perfect. Let's see. Click shift and check it now. Perfect. With all the direction it is working fine, so just click on save. Okay, so how it will know that our character is in combat mode? So we will do this in event graph. Let's go to event and here we will set for the combat is combat. So we need a variable. Okay, there are multiple ways with which we can do that. Like if in the character base, because we need this function again and again, so we will create a function in public. So first u function and it will be blueprint callable. It will be a bool function is combat. See, I have written this blueprint callable. It means that this function definition will be in C++, but we can call this function in blueprint also. So let's create this function. Perfect. So if our like current gun index, okay, it is not picking up the variable. Okay, so if this is equal to -1, means I'm not in combat mode, so return false, else return true. Perfect. Control Shift B. But we have made some changes in the header file, so I think we have to restart our blueprint. So first, just check the spelling blueprint column. Perfect. Okay, let's see if we can access it without restarting because we are in Unreal 5. Okay, so is combat was the function name? Oh, that's great. This function is available here. So we need to set, sorry, control Z. We need to set this function. So combat perfect. So everything seems fine. Let's play and check. I have pressed D, I have click up, and this is all working fine. I'm scrolling up, it is equipping the gun. I'm scrolling down and it's gone. So, okay, there is one more problem. We have, see, when we are equipping the gun, what we are doing uh, in the character base class. Okay, where's the scroll? Okay, yes, here. We are spawning this sector. So with this sector, we have these where is it? These two component also, which we need to delete because as we have equipped the gun, we don't need these component, right? These two component, which is this sphere and the info widget. So what we will do, we will create a function here, void AC underscore pick up base destroy delete remove this remove component and we will remove the component here. First is sc underscore pickup dot come on sc underscore pickup. Okay, we don't have this definition in header file, so we will create it first. It will be a public function, so just write it here, remove this, and we okay, perfect. So it should work now. Okay, I have just okay. So what it was, sc underscore pickup dot remove or destroy component. Second one is info unit info widget dot destroy component, and we will call this function when we are equipping it, right? So gun using dot okay, what was the name? Remove component. Let's check it out. Control Shift B. It is saying remove component is not the variable now. Okay. Remove component is in the public, right? Okay, it's components, and I have written here component. So components, Control S, Control Shift B. Build succeeded. Let's check if it is working fine. I have pressed D, and now everything is working fine. See, now no widget is here, and I'm equipping and unequipping the gun. If I'm going close to a gun, it is saying press E. I'm pressing the key, but I have already picked up this gun, so it will not work. So what we can do here, we can create multiple guns now because this was the base. This was a base. So what we will do, we will create child blueprint and give it different name. So ham assault am gun underscore assault. CV. I am duplicating it, and previously it was assault. It was rifle. Again, Control C, Control V. Rename it as launch. Sure. Again, Control C, Control V. We will rename it as shotgun, and this is the base. So first thing first, we don't need this skeleton mesh in the skeleton mesh here. So what we will do, we will remove it from here, like we don't need here, and let's dock it in the layout. And what we will do, this was the waste, right? So in the launcher, let's close the other one. We have to set launcher, rifle, shotgun, and the assault one. So first one was launcher. So let's see if we have launcher in our military weapon pack. Let's go to weapon. See, we have a, what happened? We have a grenade launcher and a rocket launcher. Okay, we have two launchers, we have pistol. So we will include these two also. So pistol and a rocket launcher. So first create the function. I've created the actor for them also. Just go to weapon, guns, and this is the base. Okay, so launcher, Control C, Control V. It is grenade launcher. And this one is rocket launcher. There was one pistol also, and so we will create for pistol also. Pistol. Control Shift S. Okay, we have launcher. Again, we have pistol, and we have rifle. Yes. Next is this launcher, rocket launcher. So we will select the mesh for them. So go to content, military weapon, weapons, and first is assault rifle. Assault rifle is here. So just go to the skeleton mesh and click here. So just click compile and save, close it. Next is rifle. For rifle, just select the skeleton mesh, you go here and select rifle. Where is it? This is the sniper rifle. I think I should rename it to sniper. Sniper rifle. Let's check it in here. Control S. Close it down. Next we need a pistol, shotgun, okay, and the rocket. We have shotgun here. Go here, and I'm just selecting everything. Okay. Yes. Grenade launcher. Rocket launcher. pistol. Here we the grenade launcher. Grenade launcher. So everything is set. Let's place our actors. First we will remove this because this was the base class. So let's go to the weapons, guns, and we will place them randomly. Where are they? Okay, they are here. Let's go to this first. I am pressing E. I have equipped it correctly. Next is launcher. This one looks heavy. Just go to rifle first. Okay, this is the rifle. I have control E. See, now, wait, it is not removing the gun. There is a bug. So first, let's resolve it. Okay, so we are doing a mistake. Like when we are equipping two gun, like let's imagine I have wicket here. It is working fine, but as we will go for second, see in the shadow we have picked one. I am scrolling up. Again I am scrolling up. Then it is changing the gun, but it is actually spawning two actor. If you will look at here, see. I have picked a gun. Now 26 actor remaining. I have again picked up gun 25. Now as I am scrolling up, it is 26. Now again I am scrolling up. It is 27. It is not destroying the previous one. So we will go here, scrolling in a scroll down. When we are scrolling down, see, if we have something, if gun using is not equal to none pointer, so we are currently having a gun, so we will destroy it first. So gun using dot destroy, and gun using equal to null pointer. We should create a new function because these are copied code, which is not good, but let's go with the flow. Control Shift B. Again, let's check. Let's pick this one and this one and this one. Let's look in the shadow. This is, I think, need launcher. Again, I'm scrolling up. This is rifle, and again this is a rocket launcher. I'm scrolling down. Now they are working correctly. Scrolling up and down. It is changing. Perfect. So yes, so this was the current tutorial. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if you have some suggestion or you want some tutorial, you can comment me below. Thank you.